Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use visual lookup and live text on iPad 13 2026. For the visual lookup, we have to go to our gallery or the Photos application and find some photo displaying an object, animal, or place. And once we do so, we're gonna have to tap the info icon in the top right corner to see if the visual lookup is available for this photo. If not, we still have options like Ask Siri, using which we can ask Siri about something in this photo, or performing an image search for this photo to find similar results from Google. And to use live text feature, we're gonna have to find a photo that contains some live text. It can also be a video. You just have to pause it on a moment where there's some live text displayed. Then you simply have to hold your finger down on a text, and this will let you select it, copy, look it up, or ask Siri about it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.